Mesechinka. Izgrala je Mesechinka, izgrala je Mesechinka, izgrala je Mesechinka, izgrala je Mesechinka, Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana, blaga duška memena šekerjana, Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana, blaga duška memena šekerjana. Hello, body music lovers from all over the world.
Hello.
This is Marko.
This is Ana.
We are from Serbia. We are Alice in WonderBand, and we are doing the workshops of New Balkan Rhythm. This is the third workshop of workshops New Balkan Rhythm, and it's world music from Balkans with irregular rhythms or odd beats. So come on, join us. Bulgarian song Mesechinka that we are going to do consists of the verse and the chorus. First, we are going to do the body percussion pattern for the verse. It's 7/8, so we count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's 2, 2, 3. And we start with stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, snap. So it's the first part of the body percussion pattern.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Stomp, stomp, clap,
2,
clap,
3.
stomp,
1, 2,
stomp,
1, 2,
clap,
1, 2,
snap.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3. Let's do it a bit more.
One more time.
On the third part, we have this pattern, this small pattern that goes like this. So you have clap, ties, ties. So you clap and immediately you go to one tie and the other. Let's do that a bit. Clap, tie, tie. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And when we put in the stomps, it's stomp,
1, 2,
stomp,
1, 2,
clap,
1, 2,
tie,
3.
tie. And the fourth part is just stomp, stomp, clap. So we do the second part of the verse. Stomp, stomp, clap, tie, tie, stomp, stomp, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap, tie, tie, stomp, stomp, clap.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
And once more. And if we combine it all together from the top, it goes like this.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, snap, stomp, stomp, clap, tie, tie, stomp, stomp, clap.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
So that was the chorus. And the verse goes like this. We just put an accent on the 1. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One more time.
And then we put the feet where t was.
Yes.
So it's
2, 2, 2, 3.
yes. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we start just with accents and clapping, and then we add the stomping in the poses. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1,
2, 3.
1, 1,
2,
1,
2, 3.
1,
2,
1,
2,
1, and the
Two,
fourth.
three.
1,
2,
1,
2,
and now stomp.
2, 3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Slowly.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. If we go back to the lyrics are in Bulgarian, which I'm sure you were very happy to learn. And the name of the song is Mesechinka. Mesechinka means moonlight. So the lyrics of the first verse are the moonlight is shining. Izgrjala je Mesechinka, izgrjala je Mesechinka. So it means izgrjala je Mesechinka. Shining is the moon. Mesechinka means moon or the moonshine. And if we do the second part, second voice, it's just izgrjala je Mesechinka,
In one tone.
izgrjala je Mesechinka, izgrjala je. So it's the basis, and we are singing it mostly in A. So you start from the A and then you build from that. So let's just do slowly the verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Izgrjala je Mesechinka, 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 izgrjala je Mesechinka. And now we go to the chorus. In the chorus, words are Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana, Blaga, Duška, Medena, Šekerjana. These are the words, the pet words. So actually somebody is singing a song to Irina, and she is a girl that is picking herbs on moonlight in order to enchant her loved one. So it's a very nice, mysterious song for you.
Magic.
And you can find all the lyrics on our website, and the link is below the video in the text. So, Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana. Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana. And you can hear Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana. Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana. And once more. Aljana, Galjana, Portokaljana. Blaga Duška, Medena, Šekerjana.
With stomp.
Blaga Duška, Medena, Šekerjana. Blaga Duška, Medena, Šekerjana. Blaga Duška, Medena, Šekerjana. And the second voice is Aljana, galjana, portokaljana, blaga duška medena, šekerjana. Aljana, galjana, portokaljana, blaga duška medena, šekerjana. So let's do it all together from the top, a bit slower.
Stomp.
Yes, with stomp in the end. One, two, one, two, one, two, three. One, two, one, two, one, two. Aljana, galjana, portokaljana, blaga duška medena, šekerjana.
Stomp.
Aljana, galjana, portokaljana, blaga duška medena, šekerjana. Once more. Aljana, galjana, portokaljana, blaga duška medena, šekerjana. Izgrala je mesečinka, izgrala je mesečin, izgrala je mesečinka, izgrala je mesečinka. Aljana, galjana, portokaljana, blaga duška medena, šekerjana. Aljana, galjana, portokaljana, blaga duška medena, šekerjana. Thank you for being with us on the third workshop of New Balkan Rhythm. Please subscribe to our channel and please join us for more workshops on our YouTube channel. And we hope that we are going to organize a New Balkan Rhythm Festival in Serbia next year, so stay tuned. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and you can join our group in Facebook for all the news in English or all the news abroad of the things that we are doing abroad. So thank you.
Thank you.
And see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.